No matter who you are, no matter where you come from, each one of us has the potential to create miracles on this planet. The word miracles exist in human consciousness only because we have the capability of manifesting it. If we didn't have capabilities to manifest the word miracle, we wouldn't use and understand the word miracle. For me, I tried building businesses, failed, learned, and became so-called successful. And I'll tell you this, there's one thing I remind myself every day. This is a responsibility. It's not a reward, it's a responsibility. And remember, your success is also a responsibility. Don't take it for granted. Work harder every day. You know that feeling when I landed in Nepal? As soon as I got down from the aircraft, there was a vehicle there. They said, "Sir, you don't have to go through the immigration. You are a diplomatic guest." They made me sit in a vehicle. I'm telling you, listen to this. It was crazy. I'm like, shit, what the hell is happening? Itni izzat to aaj kisi ne nahi bakshi aaj. I sat there. They put me in a car. They moved the vehicle. We come out of the airport. And then there's this huge convoy of cars. Okay, convoy of cars. The entire traffic was stopped and was moving to rush me to the Vice President's office. Now I have been on the other side at the signal abusing the guy जिसकी वजह से traffic रुका है. But on that one day it felt good. I'm telling you, honestly it felt good. वाह भाई क्या टशन है. When met the guy, gave him this, it was beautiful. It was beautiful. I mean, middle class family, Sindhi chokra. Okay, ends up doing stuff like this. I'm like, you know how proud my dad is today? When an article comes in the newspaper, before I know, he knows. He keeps those cutouts. That is priceless for me. That means the world to me. You know, in the family WhatsApp group, when he sends a message, today Rajiv is in newspaper. My sisters are like, Papa, why you embarrass us like this? But I tell my sister, let it be. That's what gives him happiness. That's his happiness at this age. Okay? Guys, I'm no extraordinary guy. Nothing extraordinary. If anything, I'm beaten, bruised, okay, scarred, and therefore so bloody passionate about doing what I do. Okay? I wouldn't have imagined all of what is happening in my life today if you would have asked me this 6-7 years back. I wouldn't have. And this is where I feel that as human beings, we underestimate what is possible in our lives. We underestimate it. And when we underestimate it, we make safe decisions, safe choices that keep us in that zone. All of this happened because I went outside the comfort zone. When I learned stuff, invested 40 lakh 67,000 rupees when I'm in debt. This is the universe repaying me for my courage, not for anything else. Is this making sense? No matter who you are, no matter where you come from, each one of us has the potential to create miracles on this planet. The word miracles exist in human consciousness only because we have the capability of manifesting it. If we didn't have capabilities to manifest the word miracle, we wouldn't use and understand the word miracle. Do you realize that? Hello? Nothing that you know or heard of is not possible for you. You've heard it because you can. This is making sense. You've dreamt it because you can. You desire it because you can. Your brain can't comprehend things or think about things that it cannot comprehend. This is making sense. This one book changed my life. And I'm telling you this, everybody in this room has the potential, has the opportunity to take their life and their business to a whole different level. You know the mistake you can make? Ask me what's the mistake. You see this and you think to yourself, मैं भी book लिखूंगा, मैं भी interviews करूंगा. It's a science. It has to be engineered a certain way. for every business. Writing a book and publishing it is easy. Building a brand out of it is a totally different ball game. I've been successful in building the brand because the book launch happens once. I meet so many people who come to PACE programs. After they hear this, they come up to me in the break. They give me the book. Rajiv, even I have written a book. I feel bad for them because they poured their wisdom and knowledge and nobody knows who they are. Which means they failed in the brand building side of it, in the marketing side of it. And this is just one of the 31 marketing strategies that we teach. Does that make sense? How many of you realize what is the power of a magnetic marketing strategy? Today, here's what happens. I get called in for keynotes. Okay? 90-minute talk. 4 lakh rupees, 5 lakh rupees. 90-minute talk. In fact, now we have to draw a ceiling saying, okay, in a year I can't do more than 15. For someone who did 10,000 rupees labor, traveling from Borivali to Kalwa every day, not wanting to spend any money on travel, stay and food. You know what 5 lakh rupees means when you get paid for 90 minutes and you're flown in on the same day and flown out on the same day? Some of you built a business, made it successful. For me, I tried building businesses, failed, learned, and became so-called successful. And I'll tell you this, there's one thing I remind myself every day. This is a responsibility. It's not a reward, it's a responsibility. And remember, your success is also a responsibility. Don't take it for granted. Work harder every day. Get crazier every day in the right direction. Does that make sense? How many of you saw a demonstration of a magnetic marketing strategy? Useful? Powerful? Today we have some MBA members. We've helped them create this in the context of interviewing government officials where they sell to government. The government Babu is now calling them sir. Hello? Hello? Is this making sense? Okay, we have guys who are financial advisors who now became authors. Okay, and now the world is treating them differently.